What's up?
Hey, Dabes.
You want to play some pickleball?
You guys look great.
I'm ready to come back, my man. But this time on the pickleball court.
You got it.
I want to see you out here. Coach me up.
I'll be out there. I'll beat both your asses.
If you beat both our asses, I'll come back and join the New York Giants.
There we go.
April 17th, off-season program starts.